Welcome to the Funnel Building Works. So we are starting a new series of workshops for building funnels. So we're going to see, just wait for 5 more minutes to see few more people are joining. Right, let's get started. So I'm going to share my screen and start with this. So now we have a small presentation. It's not a presentation, it is just like information. I'll just start with this. So this is how the funnel building works is going to do. So what we're going to do is from now on, every week we're going to build different kinds of sales funnels. Like we use different tools for that. I'm going to explain you in detail. First thing is first, let's go understand what is sales funnel. So I'll show you a small video. In this, you will find what is a sales funnel. Sales funnel is a process where customers come on top of the place and they move towards the down. Okay, they become your customers. So in the sales process, this is not a perfect sales funnel. You see, a lot of leakages are happening. This is a perfect sales funnel. A lot of people come, no leakage is happening, and everybody is coming in the bottom and becoming a customer. So this is how a sales funnel should work. Next is, this is another type of sales funnel. We call it tofu, mafu, bofu. That means top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. So when you have customers, you have different customers. There are cold customers, they are warm customers, they are hot customers, right? So we call it tofu. This is for cold customers. Middle of the customers is warmed up customer. Bafu means is the like hot customer, they're paying customers. So this can be, the funnel can be divided in this category as well, right? We have one more category. I'll just show you that. I hope you can see the screen, right? Let's see. Yeah. I'll open the chat for everyone. Right. So this is another type of sales funnel wherein we divide the sales funnel into two: marketing automation and sales automation. This is another sales funnel. Like there are a lot of raw leads we collect from the marketing perspective. Then they become your viable leads. And these viable leads, when become nurtured leads, then it becomes active leads. Then it will be minimum qualified, like marketing qualified leads. So you have two stages here. There is one stage is the CRM where the sales qualified leads are happening. But here the marketing qualified leads. Marketing qualified leads means any lead which is coming in, if the lead is good, they inquired, they have a requirement, that is marketing qualified lead. Then when it comes to the sales accepted leads, right, the people will see a lot of other things as well, like is the customer is good, is a good paying customer, or is it going to give a lot of pain to us? So all that will be checked in the sales qualified leads. So then it will be taken into opportunities, then it will be closed. This is how things will be moved from funnel to funnel, right? Right. So this is how sales funnels work. There are all three types of things I've shown you. Next is funnel series. So this is what we are going to start building. Today we have started with this workshop, like we are going to build a one-to-one appointment booking funnel, okay, live in front of you. Next week, we will be doing this lead generation funnel, and we're going to go on actually. I have already 30 funnels ready with me, different types of funnels, which I'm going to explain every week, one by one, like this. Now, I just listed 7 now, just to start with. Right. The next step is designing the sales funnel. So the designing the sales funnel, you have 3 things we are going to do. One is the funnel visualization. How is the funnel is going to look like? Like what is the representation, right? How will you start with the idea of making a funnel? That is the first thing. Second is the funnel simulation. And third is the funnel implementation. So let's spend some time in funnel visualization. So I've already created a funnel out of this. So I used a software called SketchWow. Let me open the funnel, which is already ready. Then I'll explain that straight away. So one-to-one appointment funnel. Right. So this is the appointment funnel. We have built it actually. So we'll be running a Facebook ads. I think you can see my screen, right? Yeah. So Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads will be running. Ideally, there should be one video ad and 3 pictures is the what Facebook nowadays it's working. It's working very good. Both video and pictures are performing good. So when the appointment funnel is there, okay, now the ad is running, then they will be diverted to the landing page. In the landing page, you have 2 stages. One is the landing page where you capture the detail, which is called opt-in form. Then you have a thank you form. In the thank you form, you have a WhatsApp group and all that will be there. But in the opt-in page, you will have a calendar link. People can book a calendar with you directly and fix a time. They select a time and they book a calendar with you. This is how opt-in funnels will work. Now, when they reach to the thank you page, then they will come on to the Zoom call on the particular day, then you will close the deal. So in between, what happens is you will have a nurturing emails going. You will have a first email going as soon as they book the appointment, they get a welcome email. Then they get a 24 hours reminder. Then they get a 4 hours reminder. Then they get a 1 hour reminder. Then they get a 10 minutes reminder. Also, they get WhatsApp reminders. So for all this, you need tools and systems to make it happen actually, to make this funnel work lively. I'm going to show you what are the tools you can use for that as well, right? So this SketchWow software is a one-time payment. It comes for a 3,500 or something. You can make beautiful sketches like this. This is how funnels can be created. Second, okay, let's go to the second part, which is the funnel simulation. So we're going to use one more software for simulating this funnel. So we're going to make exactly similar to this funnel in a real, like a visual builder only, but we will give numbers to it. Like what will happen, how many people has to see the Facebook ads, how many people has to come to the landing page, how many people will get converted, what is the percentage of conversion, all that will be given in this funnel. So if you take this one-to-one strategy funnel, I'm going to minimize this. So I think you can see the full screen. So now in this, what will happen is there is a ads are running, Facebook, Instagram ads are running. Then they are coming to the landing page, which is called an opt-in page. Then they come and fill your calendar form. Then they go to the thank you page. So once the thank you page is reached, then they get a series of emails. They get 4 or 5 emails as a reminder emails to come on to the call, Zoom call. They can come on to the either Zoom call or phone call. One of it can be there. This is the appointment funnel, right? So you need to be available at that time to take the calls directly. So when you take the call, then you will present your sales pitch, whatever you have high value offer, you will be presenting to them. Then they will make a payment here. Then they will go to the thank you page. So this is how the entire funnel will work. But the beauty of this software is owned by ClickFunnels. It was created by somebody, but ClickFunnels acquired it recently acquired it. Now, if you go and click onto the Facebook, right? So you will see the sources of traffic. So you can keep on adding any source you want. If you want to add a YouTube traffic, okay, now you say this, go this, then you can go and add a Google Ads traffic. You can add a YouTube traffic, newspaper, Pinterest. You can add any type of traffic you want in the initial area. Okay, now we have taken only Insta and Facebook. Then we took in the Facebook mainly. Then we put around monthly visitors, how many visitors we need for Facebook. That means we need around 5 lakh impressions to be created. So to create 5 lakh impressions in Facebooks, we need to pay 50 rupees for 1,000 impressions, which is called CPM. And the CTR is a 1.5%, which is a click-through rate. How many people clicked on your ad and gone to your landing page? That is 1.5%. So if the 100 people are there, 100 people are seeing the ad, then 1.5 people, they will click and go to your landing page. That's the average Facebook is working on now. And here you have both plan as well as done. That means when you're planning, you plan something, but then you actually put the number. If July is already finished, right? If you know what is the impressions you got in the Facebook ads, you can put those impressions and you can start working on this funnel as a done funnel. You can say, this is what is done, this is what has happened, how much I made money out of it. Now, in the planning stage, what we are doing, we are putting it based on our experience. Now, what we'll do is we'll go and simulate this model. How will you simulate? So first, we need to give the percentage of conversion in each of these areas, actually. So when they come to the landing page, what is the average conversion of the landing page when it comes to the one-to-one appointment funnel? You can go and ask Bard, actually. Bard is the like a chat GPT. This is owned by Google. So you can ask a statement like anything you can ask, it will give you an answer. So I'm going to ask, can you tell me what is the percentage of average conversion in one-to-one appointment landing page? So it will come out with some figure. It is giving, I think in India, you can say that in India, it will give you some 5 to 8%, something like that. Usually it gives, now it is not showing anything. Okay, let's not worry about it. We can take the percentage from Facebook also. So what is the percentage come? Then you can take in the landing page itself, you will have a statistics, you will find out this percentage. When you run the ad, you will find out this percentage. How many people have come? 4% means if 100 people are coming, the only 4 people are signing up and going to the booking a calendar and going to thank you page. That's how it is. So then you have a percentage here in the email, all the email goes, it's okay. Opening is not mentioned here, but here again, the product value is also there. So when you go there, you will have a product value. So this product value is considered as 25,000 rupees. Okay. So when 5 lakh impressions are coming, when the people are seeing this ad, when they are going, what you can do is you can simulate this funnel by clicking onto this. Just go here. We have put all the cost here. What is the cost? Product cost is there. What is the advertisement cost? We have already put. We have put CPM, right? CPM is 50 rupees for 1,000 impressions. Right. Now we can go and simulate this funnel. So when you simulate this funnel, your numbers are going to run like this. So it is showing that this funnel is a profitable funnel actually. You will be spending some money, then you will also have this one. Like you will have a profit on this if you have 8 conversions happening here. Almost revenue is around 9 conversions. That's what is showing. This is the 9 conversion you can see here. 9 conversions happen when this funnel is running, when your product is good, and then it is getting converted into this, then you are spending around 25,000 for the Facebook, then you are making a profit out of this. So this is how you can simulate the funnel. So what will happen when you, before running an ad, okay, if this budgeting sort of thing, right? We also do another sort of budgeting to do a reverse engineering. I'll just show you that as well. You can reverse engineer the whole funnel. How we can reverse engineer? You need to just go to this small template I've created. You can create a budget for your ads. How much money you need to spend on your ads. Okay. So this is a Excel template I've created for measuring the ads in the right way. The first area is all the estimated reach, estimated leads. This is all actual data given in the Facebook in the initial stage when you created an ad. This is just a basic information. This is not after running the ad. After creating an ad, you can see all this. So this is the budget you put. This is the CBO means campaign budget optimization. You put it off. Then you have a website ads, picture plus video is there, size, number of ads, age group is selected, total audience is selected, geography, active status, and what is the CTA, call to action website. So this information, we gather this. Second thing is budgeting for that. This is what is very important. This is where we do the reverse engineering. To run an ad, what is the budget needed? How much is the impressions needed? How to analyze what is the total number of impressions you need? Because Facebook charges you based on impressions. They charge you for 1,000 impression, 50 to 100 rupees approximately. So now let's say we need 300 leads you need. Okay, we put 300. Suppose you need 500 leads, right? I put 500 in this leads required per month. I put 500. The conversion percentage, I put 6% on the landing page. That means for 500 leads, if the 6% is the conversion rate, you need landing page views 8,333. I'm doing a reverse calculation. Like I'm dividing the 500 divided by 6%, you get this, right? So now, in order to get this much landing page views, how many people have to click your ad? That is around this much. If this link clicks percentage is around 80%, that means 80% of the people, when they click, they definitely go to landing page. They don't drop out in between. Only 20% will drop out. So that is the calculation here. So if 80% go to the landing page based on this 8,333 landing page views, you need 10,000 people to click, 10,470. When this is done, the CTR percentage is there. CTR percentage is click-through rate. So you have this much impression you need, then this is the click-through rate. Click-through rate is budgeted. So now for 10,000 link clicks, how much is the impression you need? 5 lakh impressions you need. So this is how you reverse engineer the entire process. So to get 5 lakh impressions, what is the cost involved in the advertising? 50 rupees is the cost. Then you need to spend 26,000 per month. And your cost per lead will be approximately 52 rupees. Because 500 leads you're collecting, right? 26,000 divided by 500, you get this. So in this, there is a color coding there. Okay, green, blue. What is this color code? Green means you enter the value, you estimate. Blue is auto-calculated. So if I put 1,000 here, you see the blue portion changes automatically, right? If I put 2,000 here, the blue portion changes. So whatever number of leads you need, right? You can just put it up and you can just see this directly. And the next one, part 3 is the actual metrics. So the color coding we put reverse, right? We put, if it is a blue, green here, blue, opposite is there. You see this opposite color? That means here we are not estimating these numbers. We are taking the actual number from the Facebook and we are calculating what is the actual percentage landing page conversion happening. What is the link clicks happening? What is the CTR happening? From Facebook, you can get this. If you run ads for 1 month, you get this information. And what is the actual impressions happen? All that is available there, right? So when you have this, then you get an actual CPM also in the Facebook. So here we put all the data source. You see this down, there is a data sources given. This is from Facebook. This is from here 30% is ideal. This is the percentage you need to look for, 30% and more. And this one, you can take it from your landing page. This is from Facebook. This is from Facebook. This is from Facebook. And reach and frequency also you can pick up. These two will help you how many people it reach, means how many people it has shown again and again. So once this is done, then you go to this return on ad spend. So this also month on month you can calculate. You put the number of link clicks, leads here, and you will also get this appointment. How many people booked appointment? How many show-ups are there? How many closed deals are there? Then you will get to this 5 important metrics altogether. Like what is the CPC cost per click? What is the CPL, cost per lead? What is the CPS, cost per appointment show up? What is CPA, cost per acquisition? So when you put all these numbers for 3 months, you will clearly know whether your ads are making money. And finally, you get to calculate a return on ad spend. That means when you put 1 rupee on your ad here, see when your ad spend is around 1 rupee, then you get 10 rupees in the return. That means you are making 10x. Your ads are profitable. So that can be calculated in the last column. This is part 4 actually. So when you have done this exercise, when you have done the other 2 exercises I told you, this is your first step of doing things like how the funnel has to look. This is a visual builder. You build this. Okay, I want these people go to here, then they should get messages. You build this now. This is done. Next is we go to the other page to simulate the funnel and see whether it is profitable. Now, what is the third thing? Funnel implementation. Okay, let's jump inside now. For this, we are going to use, so far so good. Is there any doubts? Anybody have anything? We can keep the questions in the last, but still, if you have anything in the two things I told you, you can let me know. Can you put it in the chat? We can answer that. Just to make it engaging, just all right. So if you're not having anything, then let's go to the questions in the last. Okay. Now, third thing is the funnel implementation. The funnel implementation means you need to have a tool called FunnelWorks. FunnelWorks platform is designed for making sales funnels and CRM. It can do so many things. You can do, I'll tell you what are the things it can do just quickly. First thing is it can work as a contact management. So you can you can make a smart contact list. You can do bulk actions with the contact. Like you can select bulk contact and send bulk emails. You can send bulk email verification can be done. You can do so many things with the contact list. You can segregate the contact based on your tags. You can put it up in different buckets. All that can be done in the FunnelWorks. Then second thing is it has got opportunities. Opportunities is a place where you can build pipelines, like a different buckets. Like you have a client coming from one place, like they will be called as leads. Then they will be put in different places, like they will take a survey. They will go to the one-to-one. They will go to the paid one-to-one. There are paid free one-to-one, paid one-to-one is there. Then you have a deal closed. So you can design the stage according to your business. These stages can be designed in this FunnelWorks. Then you have a landing page builder. In the landing page builder, you can do funnels, websites, you can create e-commerce stores, you can create blog, you can get analytics, you can see, you can do a client portal where you can give a courses to the people. You can create surveys, you can create chat widget, you can do so many things. You can do URL redirects. All this can be done inside FunnelWorks. Right. The next one is the automation. You can do automations like when somebody signed up with you, you can send emails, you can send WhatsApp, you can do multiple things based on your requirement. You can go and see the workflow, how it is working here. This is the workflow we are working with, one of the challenge we are conducting, people are going through. So this workflow has got we are offering a course for 49 rupees, just 49, right? In the course, you will get 4.5 hours recorded courses available. You'll be taught completely how to do this funnel. So in this, you have first we'll add a tag, then we'll put them in the opportunity, then we will remove from other workflows, then we'll send a message to the WhatsApp. Through webhook. We use a webhook and we'll send the message to them by WhatsApp directly. Then we start sending emails. There will be a welcome email will be there. Then course offer will be there. We'll access the course. We'll give the course directly, automatically. When somebody makes a payment using the link, right? This link, they will start coming to the funnel. This is the link, right? So all this can be done inside. So let's go into the building the funnel now. That's our main focus today. So let's go there. Now, I've kept one funnel, one-to-one appointment funnel, which I've shown you now. The same similar funnel we're going to build in front of you. This is the funnel building workshop. So this is the appointment funnel. So inside this funnel, what we have done is we have built several templates, like pre-built templates. So for one-to-one also, we have created a template. Like you have a structure for building a bus, you need a first structure. Then you put the sheets, you cover glass, all that will be done, right? Like that, the structure is ready now. So I'm opening up in the funnel builder. This is called a visual builder. This is just a drag and drop system. Anybody can use this system. There are a lot of icons are there, which each and everything, when you hover over there, it will show you what is it. This is the layer. It will show you the different layers used in the pages. Then this is the pages. Well, how many pages are there? 2 pages are there. Then this is a tracking code. If you want to give a metapixel here, you can give a metapixel here. Then this is a CSS. Suppose if you want to use a color gradient in this funnel, you can use that. This is the color gradient coding. This is the only place where a little piece of code is used. Otherwise, no code is being used here. This is the typography for the whole website. Then this is a background for the whole landing page. Then you have a pop-up setting. So if you have a pop-up form is there is a calendar added. It's already loaded here. This is the pop-up settings. Then you have metadata. Metadata means what it appears on the place. Like you see this, there is a logo there, then funnel works. What do you want to write on this? Metadata. Then you have a preview custom codes which will not be used. Then you have a cookie consent. If you want to enable, you can enable this. Right. Now let's go and build the funnel. Like if you have any specific industry, if you are interested, right? So if you want to, can you name any industry you want to build the funnel? I'll build for that industry itself straight away. So let me open some prompts actually to keep it ready. So I just need the landing page prompts to start working towards this. Yeah, my prompts are ready. Film coach. Right. Can you elaborate what you do actually in film coaching? Can you a little bit more information? Can you give me? Or you want to come live? I can take you on live also. Training filmmaker aspirants. Filmmaker aspirant. So you're talking about like photography or this one? Learning filmmaking. Okay. Right. So I'll just take whatever words you have now. I'll just take these words straight away. I'll go to ChatGPT. Okay, now before going to the ChatGPT, one second, let me just, yeah. Okay, not an issue, yes. If your camera is not working, it's fine. Yes, this is open. Okay, I will put all your inputs straight away, right? I just copied. The ChatGPT can understand, right? Now I'll go to the this prompts. So I need what I need now first, I need to select the header. I need to choose the header. What do you want to do for the header, right? So now I need to write a prompt. There's a prompt here. I put underline here. This has to be removed. Like I'll give you all these prompts also for you at the end of the session. Now write me a landing page headline promoting promoting and helping people to become filmmakers, right? Promoting, coaching, let's say coaching and helping people to become filmmaker. You'll be a coach, right? I'm going to take these prompts. So it is going to give me a headline for landing page. Yeah, ready to turn your passion for films into reality. Let's make filmmaking drums come together. I think that this looks okay. No change required. If you want to change, you can have to change the prompt again. Let's go with this just for the demo purpose. So now I'm going to put this across here. So now I can make this into two lines, right? I'll keep the thing second line and first line. So you are inviting this. Now I'm just doing it a little faster. It is just, you can type it here straight away. You can go and type as it is, or you can copy paste, anything you can do. Now I want to make it bold. I'll just make it bold. So now I want to give different colors to this, okay, now to make sure it's more attractive. So turn your passion for films into reality, right? Turn your passion, I'll underline, and I'll just underline other one. Turn your passion into reality, right? This will be catchy. So films also, if you want, you can add that up because that's the main word. So filmmaking dreams come true. I'll make this underline. So when you underline, the color changes, if you notice, right? So there is on the right side, you will find all the colors. The colors for the normal font, colors for the bold font, colors for the italics, color for the underline text, color for the link color, link text, icon text. Now, if I go and change this color, click onto this, if I want to make it red, it will become red, right? Here itself, you can choose what you want on the right side. And you can change the font height also. You go here, you will find the font height here. So if you want to make it 60, you can make it 60. You can make it 45. Also, you have a drag and drop system, right? You can just drag and drop the font you want, what size you want, and you can make it central aligned, left aligned. All this backside formatting is already done, so you don't have to worry about it. So the first part is done. Okay, it's going to look like this. Now, for me, in the landing page, now you have, I think, yes, answered some more thing. Yes, okay, right. Now, this going to the second line is not looking good. Okay, either you make a 2-line complete or you need to make it smaller, little bit smaller. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's take it 42 size. So that will be good for not yet. So let's take a 40 size. Yeah, it has come to 2-line. So the idea is when you're making a landing page, you have to make sure the top line, second line, your image or the audience on the button has to be visible when they land on your page without scrolling. That's the anatomy of the landing page. If that is there, the conversion ratio will be very high actually. People will see everything in one page. See, now this image can be changed. It can be, you can put it in a video or you can put an image. Both can be done. So you need to just simply go there and select a video you want. You can go and select any video and upload this. So if you have some videos here, you can simply upload that video. It will be taken inside. Right? So the video is added here already. So you can change the thumbnail if you want, you can do that. So now we need to find the target audience industry for your industry, right? Now again, you need to go to the prompts. Go to the prompts. So what are the 3 major clients, major target clients for filmmaking aspirants? You can say aspirants, right? For people who wanted to learn filmmaking and also aspired to become a filmmaker. Maker. Right. Let's go to take this prompt and go to ChatGPT and give that prompt to them. So you need to be in one window, whatever information you're given, no? Then ChatGPT, it is easy for ChatGPT to analyze and give you the correct answer. So it has given 3 things for me now. So aspiring filmmakers, film and media students, content creators, and YouTubers. Yes, these are the 3 major clients because these people, content creators, YouTubers, no, they will go to next level of acting in the film or making in the film, whatever. The next is shooting in the film. Anything can be done. Filmmaking assistants, students, and freelancers. Yes, it is also given same, almost same only. Freelancers is the content creators. Aspiring filmmakers is this one, right? It's also given the same thing. So we can take that into this here directly and copy it here, right? Now I'm going to do some sort of I'll cut it off a little bit. It's too much text is here. If required, I will even take out the sub description also. It's all up to us, right? But people are not going to read too much. They need to, we need to give the very short information about things, right? So now let's read this. Aspiring filmmakers, individuals who have a deep passion for storytelling and visual arts and are eager to create on their own films. They may have some basic knowledge or experience, but structure. Okay, let's pull out this note. So you don't need to give more so much. So let's give a gap. Next is the film and media students. College or university students pursuing degrees in film media related who can gain experience, industry sites and mentorship to complete their academic and learning. This is one full sentence actually. Okay, I think we can cut it off with practical experience, yes. Practical experience in filmmaking, yes. Content creators, YouTube. Individuals who are ready to creating video content platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, elevate their production quality and storytelling abilities to transition into professional filmmaking. Want to who want to transition into filmmaking. That's it. So this is looking good. So now let's make this picture come on top actually. It has come in the middle actually. You can make it in top by clicking on this left. So now you have this information. So if you feel this is not balanced, like if this is okay, we can keep it as it is. Now, if you want, we can add one subline headline here. Book an appointment before time lapses. There is a timer given. We have given a timer up to 10 minutes for people to decide to book an appointment. You can check the timer here. There is a timing there. 9 minutes are there. Okay. So now we'll give a color to this black. We'll make it normal white color. Please book an appointment before it lapses. Then we'll make it bold also if you want it, and we'll make it italics. Right. Then we will go and change the italic color here. We'll go italic text color. We'll change it into yellow. Right. Now this is okay. Now things are looking good up to this point. Now you have a what you will discover in the one-to-one. So you need to give three things to the people, what you are going to teach them when they come for a one-to-one, right? One-to-one, you will be requiring three things to tell them. Three major things you need to tell them, right? So let's go and get a prompt for that. 4 things learning, 3 secrets. So what are the 3 secrets we can reveal in the one-to-one? Okay, which will be beneficial to the filmmaking aspirants, right? So let's add this prompt. So what you will be teaching in the, what you will be telling them in the one-to-one, right? So you go there, you just do this prompt, right? So it will give you, so you will be teaching them this one. This in the when the one-to-one, maybe you'll be meeting for 30 minutes or more. So what you will be doing is you will be explaining about these things. The art of storytelling, visual storytelling, networking industry connections, mastering filmmakers mindset. So all these 3 things are looking good. If any changes are there, we can ask for one more time. It will give the second time. So now we'll go and copy this here. Right. Maybe you can take the heading to the top. Instead of putting a secret, we will just take that into tell them the actual thing. So let's make it bold. Right. So art of storytelling, teach them how to convey powerful emotions and negatives. Right. This is okay. Let's go to the next one. Networking is important because they need to get business. So for that, they need to know how to reach people, how to reach directors, how to reach to other people. This is techniques they need to learn. So networking and connections. I'll just put it on top. I'll remove the secret and put this here. Bold. Right. Right. So this is done. So this is all looking good. There's no imbalance or so. So you can go and check whether you can make something balanced. Just check on the right side. Okay, you need to make it left actually. Left aligned, everything will be left aligned, then things will be okay. So just put on this left aligned. See, when you're doing this, I just wanted to tell you, see, when you go over, you see the different colors coming out, right, on the landing page. Like the first one is called the green one is called the section, which is the whole thing. Inside green one, you will find blue. That is called column and rows. We call it rows first. Blue one is rows. Then inside blue, you will find pink one, light pink, which is column. Column, how many columns you need? Then you need whatever there inside, there is a element. I'll just show you one sample. So you go here, first click on the green, then you select a full width green. That means you have selected a full section, right? On this section, it is asking to add a row. But when you are adding a row, it is also telling you how many columns you need. You can add a 3 column also. Now I have added 3 column. I can put text here, I can put video here, I can put image here. So it depends on this, whatever requirement. Then when you click on the element, it will ask you what do you need here, headline. Okay, here, what do you need here? You can put image. Okay, you can put what do you need here? I need a video here. You can put anything which is available on the left side. This is how the landing page can be built. It's all visual builder. Once you know it, how to use it, you can play with it. And we also have many hundreds of templates, more than 500 templates are there inside, standard templates. So now we have reached up to this point, right? Now we have reached up to this point. Next is you need to build your bio. So your photo will come here. Okay, simply your photo, you can place it here. There is a size there. I remove the size, then it becomes big. Now your bio will come like about you. What are the things you would be doing? Like, so this also, for an example, I can take it from, so what are the, please write a bio. Please write a bio of a person. Okay. That means you, person, teaching, filmmaking to students. What should be the ideal biography? Ideal bio, just you will leave to that. Yeah, it's not finished yet. Make it in 500 words, 500 characters. Characters means each individual letters, words means each word. So I don't need a big one. So I need a short ones. So I asked 500 characters. Let's see. Okay, I got it now. So let's go and place this now. So this has to be very short. You don't need a, right. So you can fill up the names here. Your name is there. You can fill up. Now we have come to this place where you need to add your client testimonials. So you can take a video of this thing. The video can be added in 5 different formats. You can add a YouTube link, you can add a Vimeo link, Wistia link, or you can add hosted video. You can directly upload the video here in the system. Okay. So you have 5 different options for this. I will not touch this now. Then you need a testimonial from your clients. So you can get a testimonial from client, but if you are starting new completely, if you want to do, just get some names, and I think it's better to get a real testimonial to run your business. Then that's the good thing to do. Or if you can take it from Google reviews, if you have some Google reviews, you can copy paste it here. That can be done. So next one is the frequently asked questions. So this is another segment actually. So I'll write 1 or 2 questions, then I'll answer that, how to do this. So just click on to this, then go to this area, list number 1. Right now I'm going to change. This is the question and this is the answer. Right now I have a prompt for that as well, for writing frequently asked questions. So just take this prompt, just go there straight away and put it in the ChatGPT. So I wanted 4 questions and answers for people who has problems. So it is giving what equipment do you need to start in filmmaking, right? How do I break into film industry? What are the key stages of film, making film? Right? How can I fund my film projects? So these are the questions normally people have, right? The first question looks good. Let me take that and go to and add this here directly. This is the first question. So when you add, it's not showing in the bold. So you have to make it bold, right? Then I need to add the answer as well. I'll go here. I'll take the answer. Yeah, that's it. And then you need to continue for the same for other things also. So I'll not touch the other things. Then I'll do the other integral parts, right? So in order to complete the landing page, there are a few things you need to consider. One is, what are the things? I'll just show you here. So deciding the sales funnel, you've done. ChatGPT prompts I've shown you. Color palette, it's already there. Colors are there. If you want to change the colors, that is also there. Next, we will do connection of elements. We need to collect the forms or calendar. So if it is a one-to-one appointment, it is a calendar to be connected, pixel to be added, and domains to be connected. These are the 4 things to be done. So let me save this and publish this. I will show you how to change the color also. Color, publish. So when you're publishing, it is asking you the domain. So this is where, if you already added a domain inside, you can pick up the domain directly, it will take the domain. Right. Now let us go to the the problem of changing colors also. So you don't like this color, right? You want to change the color. So what you need to do, you need to go to this website. There is a color gradients available. There are different color gradients you can pick up. You want plain colors already available in our system. Okay, if you go to this uh, any background color, if you choose, okay, suppose if you go to this place, so this is the area we want to choose the background color, right? You have a blue. Now in this color is a gradient color. It's not a plain color. If you want to use a background color, you can go here, like you can choose the plain color. This is the plain color we have chosen, right? So instead you want to have a background, like if you just put this out, right? This is no color. Now, if you select this one, it's a red color, like a blue color. You can choose the color you want, right? Blue looks nice here. Suppose if you want to have a gradient inside this, right? You can go and check out this page. There are 25 different color combinations available here. What are the colors? Gradient colors suitable for landing pages, right? And they have given the color coding also, right? Now, Let me go to one website called CSS Gradient. This is another website. It's a color coding website. You go to this website, it will give you a color coding options like this. So you select the color, you click onto this, you select what is the color you want. Okay, then you click onto this, you select what is the color you want. Pick up the color. So you want to make it light to blue, dark to blue. You see this now, there is in the middle you have a light, then you have a dark in the end, then you have this, right? So you can do this. You can change the degree also, like you can make it 180 degree. So it will be top to bottom or from left to right. If it is a 90 degree, it is left to right, right? So left to right looks good. So this is the color we're going to use. So if you like this color, we can go with this, or we can change the color again. We'll make it a little bit more, light. And we'll use the same color, repeat in the other place. One side dark, one side doesn't look nice. Okay, now you see this, it's a balanced color. Then you have some sort of light in the middle. Right, now you can go and copy this piece of code. A small code is come, copy to the clipboard. Go to our funnel. There's a place called custom CSS. So in the custom CSS, there is a background color is already there, 2 line of color. So you have to replace this with the new color. Then save. That's it. Now, this color is not being picked now because you need to add this particular section has got some independent code actually. So you can go to this advanced area, you will find a CSS selector code actually. So you need to copy that and take it here and put it in one of the functions. So you don't need to know what is it and all that. Just put it and put a comma. This is the only place you need a small piece of code, but if you want to use a gradient color. Now you see this, the color has been changed. Now the blue color has come in here. The same way you have to repeat everywhere. Whichever things where you need a blue, you need to copy that small CSS selector. You go here, go to the advanced, select that selector, add it to your list. Just anywhere comma, just add and put another comma. That's it. Then save. This will be taken into blue also, right? That's it. This is how you change the color. So you have options, where multiple options to change the color, whatever color you want. Then the funnel building is done. Now we need to connect with the other things, like we talked about connecting elements, right? Calendar, right? So let's go to the calendar. I'll publish this first. If you save it and don't publish it, it will not be shown in the website. Like it will not be shown in the link actually, right? So you need to publish it every time. Then go to the calendar area. So we have a calendar booking also available inside the same funnel. You don't have to do anything from outside. Everything is available. Even Razorpay directly you can integrate. You can collect payments. You can send reminders for failed payments. You can do so many things in this. It is equivalent to around 15 to 20 tools under one tool. So now in the calendar, you can go and take the calendar, which calendar you want to use. So I have 2 calendars, one-to-one calendar, right? Now I'll go to that particular funnel and I'll connect this calendar to that funnel. How do I do that? I'll just show you now. Funnel building workshop, appointment funnel, home page, edit. So I have button here. When the button is, this thing is there, what will happen to the button action is shown in the right side. Open pop-up. Button action is open pop-up. So this is the pop-up we have. In that, so now I have removed the calendar. The pop-up, when it is empty, it will show like this. So you can add a text like this, please book an appointment. Then you can go to this plus sign and connect your calendar. You can just go down and select the calendar here. So when the calendar is there, it will show all the calendar drop-down menu. So you can select which one you want. Then it will be loaded here directly. That's it. Then you save it, you're done. The funnel is ready to go. Now, one more step is to be done, the action. Like when they finish the signing up with you, right? You need to send them to the thank you page. So how do we do that? So you need to take a copy of the thank you page. This is the thank you page, which is the next page, which is also pre-built. Everything is set. The thank you page is going to look like this. Thank you for booking one-to-one with us. Please look into the emails in spam folders or only for the first time. Also respond as to the emails. All this is returned. Then you have a WhatsApp community also. So when they click, they go to the community directly, right? So now this link, I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in the redirection. So you go to this first home page. After they book an appointment, they need to be sent to the thank you page. So when you connect that, your whole funnel is complete actually. Right. Now you click onto the pop-up settings, click onto the calendar, go to the right side. You will find a redirection column. Then you just check, go to your website you are. Then open in the new tab. Then copy your thank you page. That's it. Then you're done. So your funnel is ready to use now. So once this is done, now you need a link this thing to the workflows. Like you need to send reminders, you send emails and all that. How do we do that? So we need to go to the automation. So your automations will work based on the either calendar or forms, which is used in the funnel. So let's go to the automation. Let's see how is the one-to-one appointment funnel will look like. Your one-to-one appointment funnel, it's already pre-built actually. So what we have done is everything is pre-built inside. You will have to do nothing. There is only few things you need to do to get it activated quickly. So you can go to this 60-minute paid funnel. This is the appointment funnel we have. So you have all these workflow set up, emails, everything is returned based on certain custom values, which I'll show you now how to do that. So when somebody makes a payment or somebody booked an appointment with a calendar, two options are there. Both will come inside and then will be marked as one-to-one lead first. Then they will get to the pipeline. They will be placed on the pipeline using this particular action. They will go to the one-to-one pipeline, 60-minute appointment. Then they will get a confirmation email. This confirmation email, what will happen is, they will get an email saying that your appointment is booked. Hi, contact name, congrats, contact name, your appointment is booked. Then you have a date of the appointment, time of the appointment, it will auto pick from your system. Whatever time they chosen, it will auto pick. We have given the custom values to pick it up. Once this is done, then instantly it will send you an email to your email that somebody has booked an appointment with you. You have a new appointment and this is the name, this is the email, this is the phone number, and this is the date and time. This you will get a notification. Once this is done, they will move to the 24-hour window. They will get a reminder 24 hours before the appointment. They get a reminder, 4 hours before they get a reminder, 10 minutes before they get a reminder. So all these emails, everything is set based on custom values. So the whole funnel works is done in a way that everything works on custom values. If you go to the settings and the basic custom values, you need around 25 information about your company. You just put this information in one place and it will be taken across all the platforms. Like you give this information like your name, your company name, your email, your phone number, everything you will give, your social icons, all this you will give it in one place. And all these custom values is used inside your landing page, your website, your workflows, emails, everywhere. So you don't have to repeat any of the things. It is all designed that way. So you will be simply filling the custom values, then you will integrate domain, then you will connect your your social platforms, then correct the landing page like what I did today, then you are ready to go. All will take maximum 3 days actually. Actually speaking, 3 hours you can do. But 3 days is more than enough to finish everything. And one funnel will be ready for you to shoot out your business. Go to collect your leads from business. Right. So the next point is the domains pixels. Pixels will be added here. If you go to the sites, you need to add pixel in two places inside the funnel. First place is the global pixel. You will do it in the settings area. You just click onto the funnel, settings, you will find a header tracking code and a body tracking code. Here, header tracking code, you will put a pixel, 1 pixel, you will put it here. Then you will go here again. Then in the thank you page, you will put a pixel. Pixel is a small piece of code you take from Facebook, right? That pixel, you need to use it here to track how many people going from one page to the other page. That will help. Facebook will help you to track that information when your ads are running. So in the thank you page also, you will put a tracking code here. In the pixel, you will copy here and you will make it complete registration. So that this will be tracked in your ads. In ads, it will show that how many people have registered for your business. So that completes the funnel building completely. Okay, all elements are colored. Now we need to test the funnel. How is the funnel doing, right? Now, it's all connected now. I'll just go to the first landing page. I'll go to fill the form and test it, whether this is working or not working. I'll go there. I'm seeing this. Okay, ready to turn your passion for film into reality. Let's make your filmmaking dreams come true together. Okay, these are the things are there. I think some gap issues there that can be corrected. Okay, now let's click on to this. Yeah, the calendar is loaded. Now I'm going to book a time, select 11 a.m., select this. We'll have to add the name here. And any information is there, anything, then schedule a meeting. When I book a calendar, instantly, I'll get a thank you page. I'll have to go to their WhatsApp group and join. That's it. For as far as customers are concerned, they will go here and they will join the WhatsApp groups. And I clicked on the WhatsApp groups and they joined also. Then I instantly get an email from them, right? I'll get an email from you. Where is this email? Yeah. 1 second. Gmail. This is the email. Yeah. So I have a update from here. You have a new appointment. Then congrats on you booked an appointment. Okay. This is the email I get from as a client I am getting, right? So your session has been confirmed with us. This is the date, August 31st, 11 a.m. Then login ID. All the Zoom URL is already given and your signature is already there. Right. Now, what happens in our backend, like when we have the customer has got the full information. Now we need to go to opportunities and check with our that particular pipeline whether we have placed that thing. So go to this. I think it's in the paid client actually. No, in the launch your business only. 60-minute appointment. Then you will find it here. So this is it's already there. My name is already there. So you can see this thing. It has entered a workflow. If it's already there, it will not take again. So if the email has to be new, when there is in the pipeline, no, there is a challenge like you will not have two opportunities will not be in one place. So it has to be a new thing, right? If any new client is coming, it will be there. If it is existing, it will get updated. That is why it's not showing here. It's already RAM is already there in this thing. So it's not showing. If you use any other new email, it will definitely show. All right. Now we are almost come to the close of this one. So I promise the testing is working. Now landing page checklist. Okay, I told you I'll give some checklist actually. So this is the checklist. You can use it actually. So I'll just copy this and put it in the chat. So this is the checklist normally we use for, I'll just show you this checklist for building a landing page. What are the elements you need for a building a landing page? So I shown you the simulation model. So what we will just quickly wrap it up. First, we have shown this one, right? So before this, there is after this actually, after this, there is a one more step. Like in order to, what are the things you need for building a landing page? Now I have many things ready-made with us. Now, if you're starting something new, right, you may need this checklist actually. The checklist will tell you what are the elements you need for building a landing page. You need a client name, your name is required, phone number, email ID, landing page type. Is it appointment? Is it webinar? That one. And what is the purpose of the landing page? Teaching music, teaching film industry, that one. Color, primary color, secondary color, button color. You can decide all this by using this checklist. Your headline, sub-headline, bullet points, then call to action, trustworthy elements, what you have, how many years experience. You can use customer testimonial video. These are the elements you need for any landing page actually. Okay, your biography, minute timer, button animation, all this already pre-built. I used it in the pre-built strategy, so that's why I did not give you this in the beginning. But this will help you when you're starting new actually, definitely, right? Right. The second thing is, let's go here. So landing page checklist is already there. Then you have a appointment link. Actually, I have my appointment link. So in case if you want to meet me direct, if you want to talk about this, we can talk about this. This is my appointment link. Anytime open to come. Right. Then I have one small offer now, since you are already there. Like I wanted to give you this FunnelWorks platform. Actually, this one platform I'm running for almost a year now. So you can see there are a lot of clients working here. Almost a lot of clients like a publication, like a networking company, tally companies there, coaches are there. You can B2B companies, packing companies, signage company, travel company, real estate, all are there. Right? If you want to get access to this FunnelWorks, right, I have an option here. There are two options I have. If you want to get to see 14-day trial directly, so you have a link here. So you will not be charged anything upfront. So you will go and take a 14-day trial and test everything for yourself. But you will get an access for the 5-day challenge course. So there is a course we created actually. If you go to this place, we created a course, a step-by-step course. We'll give you full guidance of how to use this platform actually, right from starting. Right? I'll show you the course inside this. So you will get an access to the course, the 5-day challenge course. So you will know exactly what you need to do. So you will understand what are the things you will understand. Setting the foundation. You have 6 lessons there. Then you have understanding sales funnel. You have 6 lessons there. Then basic CRM integration, setting up account. Then you have building high converting sales funnels. So you have 2 lessons here completely for building a landing pages. It's already there. Landing page checklist is there. Everything is there. The attachments, prompts, everything is given inside. This course we are selling at 49. If you want to enroll for a course, you can enroll that as well directly. Or if you want to get into the 14-day trial, you can use this link and get into this 14-day trial. This is the trial. So I have one other offer actually, because suppose if you tell me that, okay, now I'm new to this, I don't know how to handle this, how to do this, all that, right? So I have another option is there is a 2 months trial pack we have actually. This is just for 6,000. This trial pack will help you in 2 months. You will be spending only 6,000, and after that, what you will be spending is already given in this list. So if you go here, this is the Razorpay link. So the link will show you. So in 2 months, actually, I'm telling you in 3 to 5 days, you will launch your funnel. So then You have another 55 days to make money out of it. Okay, then you start paying the monthly subscription. Monthly subscription is going to be 4,999. Then only you'll be paying only for the platform. You will come for a weekly calls on a Saturdays. We're going to have 11 to 12:30. We're going to have calls on Saturdays. So on that call, we'll clarify everything, whatever you need like this, and we'll be having Wednesday sessions for the funnel building. So this is the link. So you'll be paying 5,999 upfront. Then you will get 60 days free. Then after that, you will be charged only 4,999 per month after the trial. So you will get all these information, like you will get a 2 months of funnel works. Your one-time implementation is free with that business model. One business model will do it free for you. Then we will have a Zoom call with you. We'll have a 3 to 4 meetings to implement your funnels. Then we'll give you implementation course, 5-day challenge access. You will get pre-built templates for sales funnels, emails, workflows, everything will be given, prompts will be given. Your funnel building, this thing, email SMTP is included. Facebook ads monitoring, the checklist will be given to you. So this is a very good offer. If someone is, you're trying to test your business, you want to go and check for yourself whether you want to, how things are working for you, right? So anything you need to test in the market, right? But this is an amazing offer for you. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and make it. Then tomorrow itself, we can start working on it, right? Now I'm open for any questions actually. If you have any questions, any doubts, I'm here to answer your questions. Can you go ahead, either use the Q&A form or in the chat, you can ask your doubts. I'm open to answer. Yes, Mr. Asif, you have any questions? Hello. How about Dr. Mahendra Sawant? Hi. Hello. Are you there? So you don't need Calendly, you don't need Pabbly also, because the Razorpay, we have a direct connection here. Only for Razorpay, Pabbly was used actually. So Calendly, you don't need as well. So you already have a calendar inside. So you don't need any of those tools actually. See, except only few tools you need is for conducting meetings, Zoom meeting, you need a Zoom or a Gmeet. That's it. And Canva, if you wanted to load any information, like if you want to post any content in social media, you need Canva. See, here we have all the direct integration of Razorpay actually. Okay, I'll show you this. So we started collecting payment directly from here itself. You can see the transactions happening. Yeah. You see this, there is a transactions happening here. And this people's name also will be captured in the contact automatically. You don't need a Pabbly for that. Pabbly is required only to get that information back in here, right? So when the information is happening here directly, then you don't need actually. So any other questions you have, Mr. Asif? You can book a one-to-one appointment in case if you need it actually. I shared the link already. I hope you have the link. I'll share it again one more time. So let's book a time tomorrow so we can discuss with you all the things. Appointment link. This is the appointment link I have. Yes. Yes, Mr. Asif.
Yeah, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Yes.
Yeah,
Tell
actually, I was taking a call from my PC and I don't have a camera or mic there. So I just switched on to my mobile.
No problem.
And
Go
yeah,
ahead.
so actually, there's two small questions. It is a wonderful tool that I saw,
Yeah.
which you showed me now. And like what has happened, I am very new into coaching as such. I'm getting into coaching, I'll say. I'm
Okay.
not, I'm a filmmaker.
Okay.
So I get into a lot of corporate films and training films, and as well as now we are venturing into YouTube and entertainment films.
Okay.
So my wife is a voice artist. So she had some other vendor. She had to buy this two subscription of Calendly and Fably or something. So
Okay.
therefore I asked posed that question to you, sir.
Okay. No problem.
So that is not needed, yeah.
No needed. It's not needed. It's already there inside.
Okay, that's great. And secondly, the payment gateway, we have to create a Razor gateway and then and link here, or it is linked from here directly?
No, it's not linked here. You need to create your payment gateway and you need to connect it to the system. So your your payments also they're shown there actually. So there is an integration here. Under
Okay.
payments, integrations are there. So
Mhm.
like Stripe, you have a Razorpay also there. So you need to connect the Razorpay directly. Razorpay will give you some API keys.
Okay.
Once you have verified your website inside the Razorpay, they will give you
Mhm.
API keys. That keys you need to bring it and put it here, then it will start working. Everything you can start collecting.
Okay.
There are few steps we need to do. This is the API key actually. See this?
Yeah.
Customer provider live mode is enabled.
Right. Right.
Once it is connected directly, then you can start collecting payments. First, you
Yeah.
need to create a product out of it. What is the product or what is the money you want to collect and for what? That you need
Okay.
to create in products area. Then you need to create a payment link.
Okay. So this all the payments are routed to my account only, or it goes to your account, then they are transferred here?
No. Everything is direct to the Razorpay. They will collect the money and they will put it in 3 days in your bank. We don't have
Okay.
any connection with anything.
Sure. Okay.
Yes.
And one more small question. Like I'm getting into coaching. My
Mhm.
wife, as I said, already is into coaching. So we both can use it for us,
Of course,
or we
yes.
have to buy different two account.
See, if it is a two different businesses, you need to have two different account. See, only
Okay.
challenge you have is there is a lot of organic conversations can happen, right? The conversation
Mm.
area, if you go see, when you connect Facebook, Instagram, and Google, all that, right?
Uh-huh.
Those anybody is saying hi in Messenger, anybody is saying hello in Instagram, their name will
Mm.
be captured, and you can start conversation from there. We can ask their email ID. All that can be done in this conversation. For that, only one account can be connected in the
Okay.
setting. So if you are okay with that, if one of the account is not connected, you don't want to, you miss out that organic reach, then
Mm.
it's okay. You can use one account and you can tag the people differently for your business. Then you can
Mm.
start using it. So here
Okay.
only one account is possible in the integrations area. That's what I mean.
Right. I got it, sir. I got it.
But your contacts will be mixed up. Contacts will be there in one place. Okay, all contacts will be in one place only.
Yeah.
But your pipelines can be separate.
Okay. And another question linked to it, like suppose only I book all this data. Suppose after 6 months or some year, I discontinue with this product. So
Yes.
my data is shared with me, or how it is? Like it's cloud
So
based?
your contacts, anytime you can take it out, like this 25,000 contacts I can pull out. You can go and export yourself, right? As an admin, you are allowed to export this immediately.
Okay.
Instantly, it can be exported and you can keep using it. Only thing is funnels and other things cannot be exported because it's all built inside the system, right?
Right. Right.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
The contact can be exported in a Excel format and you can start using it anywhere.
right. I just want just in case, like that.
Yeah, understood. Yes.
Right. Fine, sir. I'm okay with my queries. I'm clear
Right.
with it.
So if you want to
Thank you,
go
sir.
ahead and let me know, I have given you two options. One is the 14-day trial and the other one is the 6,000 is 2 months trial. That is the amazing offer actually, because you get a like a helping hand to finish your profiles faster actually. 14-day trial, you'll have to do everything yourself.
Okay, 6 months is the one which you said recommend, right?
Which one is that?
6 months you recommend. 14 days trial and another is 6 months, huh?
2 months.
2 months trial. Okay.
2 months trial for 6,000.
Okay.
The second
So
one is
yeah, I will connect with you. I think I have you in my WhatsApp in community. I'm part of your this
yeah.
thing. So I will connect with you for a call to understand, because I'll be starting from zero, because I've not been into coaching right now. So
Okay.
I will have a call with you just to understand that how much time it take for to do the preparation before I get started with the funnels and all the stuff.
All right. Anytime, welcome.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Others
Thank
also. All right. We'll catch up next week. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.